Okay, so I'll be showing you how to make a folder with no name. The shortcut key to create a new folder is simple, is Ctrl Shift N, and this will help you to create a new folder. So this is a new folder. Now I want to give it a name, and the name won't be shown, won't be displayed. So for this particular section I will be reading on-screen keyboard. So here is the on-screen keyboard, and now I'll be for this particular section this on-screen keyboard, using this on-screen keyboard feature, I'll be requiring the number lock section. Those who are using desktop computer, they have their in their keyboard they have this particular section, this particular numbers lock section in their right hand side. I don't have this particular feature available to me since I am using laptop. To get this particular numbers lock section, click on this option and then check mark this option, turn on numeric keypad, and this will help you to, on toggling this button nums lock on and off, you will be getting this key, this number section, this num keyboard section on your on this on-screen keyboard layout. Now to rename a folder, it's simple. Press function key, then F2 key, then backspace for the backspace to remove the name, and then pressing down, holding down these two particular key, Alt key along with the function key, and then pressing 2 5 5 and then press enter. Okay, so I already have that folder. I already have a folder which doesn't have a name, so I'm merging that with this one. Yes, so this is a folder with no name, and I have changed that icon. You can easily go to properties and then customize, and then clicking on change icon, and from that section there are three options for the hidden for icons which doesn't have any background. So suppose I'm selecting this one, then pressing OK and then apply, and so here is a folder with which looks like some sort of a virus. And there is another attribute in which I can make a file invisible and it would be shown in the file folder structure. So this particular index.html, I'm right clicking on it and then going to properties, and the attribute for this particular file is hidden. So this file won't be shown in the file folder directory structure. So if I uncheck this particular option, show hidden item, this file won't be shown. Now I will be showing another trick in which the file will be hidden, but the file won't be shown in the file folder directory structure. So this is a command prompt, and let me press this dir directory command. So I have this particular say credits.txt. I'll be giving it an attribute atttrib, adding some attributes to it. Say plus s means don't show, plus h means hidden. So along with hidden attribute, I'm also giving it an attribute of don't show to a file whose name is cr, then tab key credits.txt, and then pressing enter. Now this particular file credits.txt won't be shown in my file folder structure, file folder directory structure, even if the hidden item is checkbox. It doesn't matter if the hidden item is shown or not. This particular folder, this particular file won't be shown in my file folder in the directory structure. Now after creating this, successfully creating this file, if I run again this dir command, see that credits.txt, this file is not being listed in my directory file folder structure. After successfully creating a file which is having this particular two attribute plus s plus h, I have forgotten the name of that particular file, so I have created a file with this attribute of hiding it and also not showing it. I have forgotten the name of that file. Then at that point of time, if I press atttrib attrib command, then it is showing that there is a file called index.html which has an attribute of h, it means hidden, and there is another file called credits.txt and it has the attribute of sh, means it will be hidden and also won't be shown. To make it viewable to all, I am now pressing -s and then -h and then pressing enter, and voila, we have that particular file. So it was credits. So here it is being shown credits.txt. So from this video I am showing this particular two sections. One is how to make a folder having no name. That is my first topic. And the second portion, the second topic was how to make a file invisible, and even when I am checking checking this particular section that show hidden item, still that file which is being hidden would be shown to the user. So these are the two things which I have shown in this particular video. So thank you all. This was all about it, and voila, bye.